Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at this, I got in the house this Sinkevich Shirogorov tool for a quick review here with me, and don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this tool, because it's pretty cool. I'm telling you, this is the tool that comes with the CCKS custom California Custom Knife Show set with the F95 Sinkevich Touch. And this is the tool to take down any Sinkevich knife, because Sinkevich is sporting these kind of screws right over here, like with the tri-lobe shaped bit that you need because it's a custom bit. So this one, of course, it's sporting the two bits, one small one for the handle or in the cami case for the clip and spacer, and in this case you get the bigger bits for the pivot, and of course they're nice enough to include just like a regular Shirogorov Pac-Man head bit for the pivot, and then you just screw this guy up like so. It has nice you see, like the two arrows indicating which side you have, like if you want to just unscrew this guy and just screw this side, and then you have like two markings. Here you get 90 degrees and here you get 60 degrees, because this is a swiveling tool. So you push this button, which actually is a button lock, or like 100% Shirogorov button lock. On this side is just gonna lock in place at 90 degrees, and on this side it's 180, and this side is 60 degrees. So you can decide how much torque you want to apply. Like 90 degrees, this thing is gonna be pretty strong. And of course you get the bronze anodized feel to the overall tool, blue anodized screws for the top and these two on the sides. These are washers. I don't think there's rollers. These are washers, and the button lock is just gorgeous. And of course you have this tool up here with some bearing system going on underneath, and this guy is just like, it's not spinning that much, but yeah, just a little bit. That's good. So, because of course this is going to be in the palm of your hand and you're going to be applying pressure, so you want, like, see, this just not to spin and stay glued to the palm of your hand. So pretty cool tool indeed, very rare. There's only 50 made of these guys, and I thought you might like it. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.